Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be making an easy chicken tikka recipe that your family and friends will love. We'll first start out by taking our chicken and adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons, but you can adjust that to your liking, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Shan chicken tikka masala, red food coloring, lemon juice of 2 small lemons, 2 tablespoons of oil, I will be mixing this really well, making sure that all the chicken pieces are coated with all the spices that we have added. Make sure you wear a glove, that way you don't stain your hands. Cover your chicken and leave it in the fridge overnight. Arrange your marinated chicken onto a baking tray. You will bake this chicken at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Then you'll broil the chicken for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure that the chicken looks something like this. And you're done. You can serve it with sliced onion and cilantro, and I promise your friends and family will love this recipe. Don't forget to check out the description box below for an exact list of ingredients and measurements. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out our TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.